If you're moving to another state and need to take your car with you, transporting it safely and efficiently is easier than you might think, as long as you plan ahead. The first step is to choose how you'll ship your car. Most people use professional auto transport services, which typically offer two main options: open transport and enclosed transport. Open transport is more affordable and the most common choice. Your car is shipped on an open carrier along with other vehicles. Enclosed transport, on the other hand, costs more but offers extra protection from weather and road debris, ideal for luxury or classic cars. Once you've decided, compare quotes from licensed and insured auto transport companies. Check reviews and verify their US DOT number to ensure they're legitimate. Before shipping, clean your car inside and out, take photos for reference, and remove any personal items. Leave only about a quarter tank of gas. That's enough for loading and unloading, but keeps the weight down. Finally, inspect your car upon delivery and compare it to your original photos. If there's any damage, report it right away. Transporting your car doesn't have to be stressful. With a little preparation, it can be quick, safe, and worry-free. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email contact us at movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.